Okay. Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showcasing my new airsoft gun. I got it today. And my little brother's little golden airsoft gun too. So these are spring-loaded airsoft guns.
And they don't hurt.
Well, they will. They're airsoft.
Yeah, they will, but they're not. They're made not to shoot.
So,
not shoot at people
or
animals.
Yeah. So you see, this is not cocked. So you want to put in the mag before you cock it because
you could break it.
Now
right, that's loaded.
We're going to put this on the suppressor.
Okay.
Now, for whatever reason, mine's is threaded left, so it's lefty tighty, righty loosey. So
yeah.
Put in your. Now my little brother's putting in his mag, and then no, I'm gonna cock it for you.
Okay.
See? So we're gonna cock the gun.
All right.
Now
got mine.
I'm going to shoot mines. Show you the suppressor. See, it's kind of quiet. Now Jane's gonna shoot his. Show you how loud it is while I take off the suppressor.
Okay, I'm gonna get it ready to aim. And then I'm gonna...
Now, mine, I'm gonna shoot you mines without the suppressor, so. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.